number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha bought.
Okay, Neha went to sale to purchase some pants and skirts. So she went to market to purchase what? Pants and skirts. So let the number of pants she purchased. Okay, let the number of pants she purchased is nothing but X. That is equal to some X. Okay. Now, next condition is what? Tell me. So she went to purchase pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many each she had brought, she answered the number of skirts,
Skirts are
the
two
number of
less than
skirts are two less than twice the
twice
number
the
of
number of
pants
pants
purchased.
purchased.
Okay, skirts is equal to number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants she purchased. Twice the number of pants means 2x minus 2. So this is a condition. The skirts are two less than twice number of pants purchased. According to this is a condition. Up to here clear now? So
Sir,
this is
y
the first
equals to
condition.
2x minus 2. How can say?
Skirts means what? Y only na?
Yes, sir.
So what she was saying, how many skirts you brought? They are asking how many
2
skirts you
less than
buyed.
twice.
What she was saying, she was not saying directly, I brought 10 skirts, I brought 20 skirts. But she was saying like a statement. How she was saying, the skirts I purchased is two less than twice the number
Twice.
of pants I purchased. So, for example, I purchased X pants. Twice of it is 2x. From that, we have to subtract 2. 2x minus 2. So, this is I purchased skirts. Next condition. Next, what she was saying. Also, the number of
Also, the
skirts
number
is
of skirts is 4
4
less than
less
3 times.
than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Second condition.
X equals
The
to
condition is this.
4x
Number of skirts
equals to 4y minus 3.
skirts is 4 less than
3 times.
4 times. Four times the number of pants purchased. Okay, now again same condition.
4x
4x minus
minus
4.
3.
4.
Sir, less than 3 times, sir.
4 less than 3 said 4.
3,
That
sir.
is 4 less
4 less than, sir, 4 less than 3 times, sir.
4 times 3 times.
3 times, sir, in my textbook.
3 means you write 3, 4 means you write 4. Here is 4 is there. Okay. So 3 times means you go for 3 times. Yes. So this is the first condition. This is the second condition. If you solve these
Sir,
two
here
conditions, you will
4x,
get
sir. 4x minus 3, sir.
no. Read the statement.
Also, the number of skirts is 4, less than 3 times. The number
Yes,
of
3
pants
times.
purchased.
3 times pants we purchased. From that we have to subtract 4.
Okay, sir.
Now you
That's
up
all,
here
sir.
copy this first.
Okay, sir. Sir, completed, sir. Sir, pants we can take Y also, sir, or only X, sir.
You can take y, x, any variable, no problem. A, B,
Okay,
C, D also.
okay.
So now solving 1 and 2. This is the first one. This is
3x
the
minus,
second. Subtraction you do. So if you do subtraction, the symbols will change. Both gets cancelled. So here 0 is equal to minus 1x. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 again. If you bring this minus 1x to right left side, it becomes 1x, that is equal to 2. X value is 2. Substitute x value in any one equation to get y value. So y is also 2. X2, Y2. The number of pants are 2. The number of skirts is also 2.
Completed.
Copy this.
Completed, sir.
Read the next question.
Ten students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz.
Okay. So total how many members participated in the quiz?
Girls 4 more than 4. 10 students, sir.
Given 10 students participated. In quiz, right?
Yes, sir. Mathematics quiz.
So let the number of girls be some x. Let the number of girls. Let the number of boys.
Right.
All together 10. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Total
Total
10. X plus y together 10. This is equation number 1. So what is the one more condition? If the girls is
more than
4
4
more than the number
more
of
than
boys.
number of boys.
Girls are 4 more
Yes, sir.
than number of boys. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So girls x is equal to y plus 4.
So,
Okay. This is
sir, why
equation number 2.
again? How can we?
Girls, how many are there?
4
4.
more than number of boys.
Y means boys only, na?
Yes, sir.
4 more. 4
4 plus
extra.
y also we can write, sir.
4 plus y also you can write, or y plus 4 also you can write.
Okay.
Okay. Now you substitute x value. X value here you can substitute. Or if you bring this minus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 2.
Sir, 2
You bring
not, sir.
this.
3, sir.
Okay. Okay. X minus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Now solving 1 and 3. What you will get? X plus y is equal to 10.
X minus 4.
X minus y is equal to 4. So plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 14, right?
Yes, sir.
Then x value 14 by 2.
14.
7. We are getting x value 7. So the number of girls are 7. What about the boys?
1 and 2, sir. Solving 1.
X value 7 వచ్చింది కదా. Total 10 members కదా.
Boys 3, sir.
Yes, boys are 3. Substitute
Yes, sir.
x is
In
equal to
equation
7
number 1.
in equation 1.
Abba.
That is 3. So the number of boys are 3. The number of girls are 7. This is the answer.
7.
Yes, sir.
So try this next question. Copy this question. Try next question. 5th question మీరు చేయండి. If you are not getting, tomorrow I will explain.
Okay, sir.